Buongiorno tutti quanti, oggi discutiamo alcune frasi da ricordare per usarle in classe. Questo tema si trova a pagina 7 del vostro libro nel capitolo preliminare articolo B in classe. This chapter is meant to give you a jump start so you don't have to learn a bunch of grammar before you can start using Italian in classroom settings. If you're working through this course with a friend, I recommend that you use these phrases and just in general try to speak Italian as much as possible when you're studying, even if you're not sure of the exact correct way to say what you want to say. This is a really short section and is also relatively self-explanatory, so I'm going to focus a lot on just pronouncing the vocabulary so you can hear it. I'm probably not going to do a separate pronunciation video on this section because it's so short and captions for the pronunciation videos take forever. The first heading in this section is per lo studente o la studentessa. Pronounce the phrases after me. Come? Come si dice? Come si scrive? Come si pronuncia? Cosa vuol dire? Cosa vuol dire? Ripeta per favore. Capisco. Sì, capisco. Non capisco. No, non capisco. Una domanda, per favore. Che cos'è? Dov'è? Ecco. These are all phrases that'll come in useful in everyday study situations. The second heading here is per il professore or la professoressa. As this course goes on, I'm going to be phasing out English and increasingly using the Italian you already know to explain new concepts. So these are some of the phrases I'll be using to give directions in the future. Repeat after me. Aprite il libro. Chiudete il libro. Alla lavagna. Guardate. Parlate. Ascoltate. Ripetete. Rispondete. Scrivete. Capite? The final heading in section B is in una classe. Repeat the vocabulary words after me. Un compito. Uno studente. Una lavagna. Un gesso. Un voto. Un professore. Un quaderno. Un banco. Una matita. Una penna. Un foglio di carta. Una mappa. Una porta. Una professoressa. Un dizionario. Una studentessa. Un libro. Una sedia. Alright, so that's articolo B of the Capitolo preliminare. I know it's a lot, but really work through these vocabulary lists so you'll be prepared for articolo G in the next lesson. I'm going to start integrating this vocabulary right away, so you'll really want to familiarize yourself. Now for homework, I want you and a partner to work through the esercizi on pages 7 and 8. If you don't have a partner or need additional help, I'm available for tutoring in person or over Skype, and I'm putting my contact information on the screen here. That's all for now, everybody. I'm hoping to have articolo C up shortly, so until then, arrivederci.